Hello everyone, this is Rashwin, the Asian mechanic guy, and today we got this Honda Odyssey. Complaint of this car. It has a sounds every time you hit the brake, and you can hear it from the rear tire. So for today guys, we are going to diagnose this and hopefully we could fix it today. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to drive this car and then hopefully we could duplicate what is happening every time we press the brake. We're going to remove the tire. So we are using, I think this is 22. Alright guys, let's do a visual inspection. Seems like everything is tight. Okay. So it only happens every time we press the brake. So I think we should try to remove this caliper. It's number 12 inch. Alright guys, let's remove this caliper slowly. I hope we can find the answer why this is quick every time I press the brake. Well, I don't see. Brake pad is still thick. Same here. So what should be the reason? So what now? You hear that? Something is touching the rotor. I think let's go remove this rotor and check the emergency brake show inside the rotor. So we're using this. There we go. Now let's remove this caliper bracket. We're using 17. Oh boy. Hello. Now let's remove. Now guys, let's remove this rotor. There you go. Okay, we will be doing a visual inspection. It seems like it's still good. It's the rotor. I think we need to see this. I think we need to change this rotor now. It got overheated. That's why it created noise every time we press the brake. Because I don't see anything that is weird. But it's still thick. The only thing that is kind of concern is the rotor. Oh well. So what I'm gonna do now is just clean this and then put it back together. Then let's see if still there's a sounds, and then if still it has a sounds, then I will call it for a rotor, because this is the only parts that I see that has a a worn surface. So let's do that. Alright guys, it seems like I found the problem. See this? It won't move. This should be like moving. See this this pin right here, this sliding pin, it should be like moving back and forth. But look at this, let's stop. So I'm going to remove that pin and clean it, and let's see from there. See, check the one below guys, hold on. See this, it moves, it retracts compared to the one on the top. See this, stuck, it will move. So guys, we remove both of them. This is from the bottom and this one from the top. So let's clean this. So let's start from the one on the bottom. Now it's good. Now let's put some grease on. Okay, let's put it there. See that? Now the one on the top. Let's put some grease on. Okay, and this is its rubber. So this goes on, I think. What's in here? That, okay. Then let's put it on. Now it's moving. See that? Now let's check the caliper. Now let's see. Now it has a play now. Nice. Okay, let's put back together and then let's test drive the car. Alright guys, I just finished installing the tire. So let's test drive the car and let's see how it goes.
No more.
Alright guys, I think that's it. There's no more sounds every time I press the brake. So I guess it's just that it has an stock sliding pin, the one on the top. So I cleaned that one and put the grease on, and then it is slide perfectly. So I guess that would be the reason why every time you press the brake it creates a sounds. Now it's smooth. So that's it guys. So if you have any question, any suggestion, please comment below, and please consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.